We have a new shelf from Spyder, the All-Road Adventure Canyon. Bakit nga ba ito tinawag na all-road? Kasi this helmet can be customized depending on your needs. Meron tayong 4 na modes para sa helmet na to. Ang default ay yung adventure, which is this one. And pag inangat mo siya, ito naman yung tinatawag nating cruise mode. Perfect for the city ride. Also, we have the trail mode, which is this one. You can drop down the sun visor if you want. Magte-trail ka ng ganyan. And also last, we have the urban mode. Urban mode is when we remove the peak para magmukha siyang full face helmet lang. In order to remove the peak, we need a tool which is the Allen na 2.5 yung size. So there you have it guys, you now have what it looks like, a full face helmet. Just remember to keep the rings na tinanggal natin kanina para pag ibabalik natin yung peak.